Move.
What are we supposed to say?
Looking
really good to see you both. You know, the trailer is amazing, something new. We have never seen something like this. Whose idea was it?
Oh, they're not here today.
It was actually Rameez and Maitrey's idea, जो इस फिल्म के डायरेक्टर हैं एंड राइटर भी हैं, तो ये आइडिया उनसे आया था एंड देन ऑल ऑफ अस गॉट टुगेदर एंड वी मेड दिस एंड या आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी दैट यू नो ट्रेलर लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
How Prachi came on?
Prachi came on board.
I was dropped from Venus.
No, actually, I reached out to her, and she was very sweet, and I would like to actually congratulate her to be able to see that this is how it's going to turn out, because generally क्या होता है short films होती हैं and इसमें there is no monetary gains, and to even be able to picture कि ऐसा कुछ बनेगा, ऐसा कुछ होगा, not everyone has the vision to see, and she was quite visionary to even and also give that faith in us that they will be able to pull it off. So yeah, thank you Prachi.
You just said too many nice things, but thank you. I'd actually like to say that the first time when our director and writer met me about this, I don't think I even took like a few minutes to say that I want to think about this and get back. I was actually really blown with the idea, just as much as I think everybody else is going to be when they watch the trailer, because in some way or the other I think it really does kind of leave you back with something that you take from it. When I heard it, I was actually really surprised, pleasantly surprised that someone has come up with this, because there's so much that we've been talking about, climate change and environment and all of that, and nobody really thought of kind of doing anything about it in the entertainment form or the entertainment business. And I thought this was such an interesting idea. The only thing I was wondering about execution was that it's futuristic. We're taking you to 2067, and just like Jackie said, it's sci-fi, but it's not your entertainment space, right? I mean, we're not showing you a cool world about fictional characters and some superheroes or anything of that sort. This is you and I, of the real world and what we could face in 2067. So in that sense, it was really interesting.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you agree with this? We have taken a step ahead before Hollywood come with this idea, and we are the one who came with this.
Yes. No, what about, and I'm quite modest at times, but this time I don't want to be modest. It's just generally हम उनकी चीज़ें देखते हैं और हमें लगता है कि यार ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए, ऐसी फिल्में बननी चाहिए, हम कब ऐसी फिल्में बनाएंगे. But yes, to pick a topic like this and make it so real, और ये this is official फर्स्ट हिंदी साई-फाई. सो ये जब फिल्म आप देखेंगे आपको अच्छी लगे या बुरी ये मुझे मालूम नहीं, बट ये है कि आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि यार ये ना उनके जैसी हमने बनाई है, ये हमने अपना वर्जन एक बनाया है. और जैसे ड्रग्स की ट्रेडिंग होती है, पैसे की होती है, पेट्रोल की होती है, गोल्ड की होती है, हमने ऑक्सीजन की ट्रेडिंग दिखाई है. और ये ऐसा है कि अगर मैं आपको 100 साल पहले बोलता कि यार पानी बिकेगा, तो आप बोलते एक काम करो, इसको अगली बार से बुलाना मत, इसका थोड़ा दिमाग ख़राब हो गया. तो हमने वही कॉन्सेप्ट लिया है कि अगर 60, 70, 100 साल बाद अगर हम कहें कि ऑक्सीजन बिकेगा, तो ये पॉसिबल है, बिकॉज इंसान जितना समझदार है उतना फिर सेल्फिश भी है और कभी कभार फूलिश भी है और मॉनेटरी गेन्स के लिए हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज जस्ट टेल पीपल दैट गाइज रिलैक्स.
ओके, जिस स्पीड में सब कुछ बदल रहा है, हम बात करते हैं पोल्यूशन की, दुनिया इतना सब कुछ क्लाइमेट को लेकर बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, साइंटिस्ट बोल रहे हैं, नासा बोल रहा है. प्राची, आपको लगता है कि सच में ऐसा वक्त आ सकता है? विल कंटिन्यू विद दिस?
Well, if the situation in Delhi last year wasn't an eye-opener or a shocker, I think that anything can happen. The sad thing is that when you're going along with your life or your daily routine, it's not something that you really want to give time to or sit back and think about. When something does happen at such a big level, that's the only time you actually, then everybody starts talking about it, and then everybody wants to do something about it. But you don't realize that the damage is being done every day, bit by bit, bit by bit. And one day when it comes to that level, it's going to hit everyone really hard. Delhi was bad. You know, the drought situation that, happened in Maharashtra. But everywhere else, there are so many other things that are happening. There are so many different ways in which everybody is being affected. Look at what we are doing with our, wildlife, with the conservation of wildlife. We're not even doing enough. And it's a whole cycle, right? Everybody needs everything, to be in its cycle so that the world can keep going the way that it is. You take a few things out of it, and it's not going to complete the circle. So things like that, it's only when we come to a crisis, everybody sits up and they want to do something about it, or they get worried because they're worried about their lives. Until then, nobody wants to do anything. So yes, something can happen, and this film is kind of a way of saying that, guys, wake up, because anything can happen.
But what was the most challenging part while working on this project? You go through, wearing a mask, doing a shot, it's really,
I would actually, I would take the liberty to say that for me, yes, I think Jackie's character was the toughest for this film. But apart from that, in terms of, the shoot part of it, it was a great experience for me. There was nothing tough about, I'd say, the role or the shoot process. What I think was really tough for the film was the post-production. I think the work, the effort that went into that was really an effort. Besides, Jackie's role was the toughest. You must tell them about your preparation and everything that you did for it.
Just to add to what she said is that हमने ये दिखाया है कि घरों के अंदर ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की तरह सप्लाई की जाएगी और बाहर हमें मास्क पहनना पड़ेगा, और जो स्टेटस पे आप हो उतनी महंगी ऑक्सीजन आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे। तो जब मैं जिस तबके से आता हूँ फिल्म में, उसमें मुझे मास्क 24/7 पहनना पड़ता है बाहर, बिकॉज मेरे पास उतने पैसे नहीं हैं फिल्म में। तो मैं वो मास्क पहन के शूट कर रहा था, एंड इट वॉज सो सफोकेटिंग फॉर मी। तो मुझे लगा कि यार ये मतलब शॉर्ट्स में ही मास्क पहन रहा हूँ, जैसे ही वो बोलते थे कट इट ओके, मैं ऐसे मास्क निकाल के ऐसे करता था। तो मुझे लगता था यार ये ऐसी हालत हो रही है, इमेजिन इफ दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ सिनारियो वी वुड बी इन, कि मतलब 24 घंटे मास्क पहनना है, तो कितनी घुटन होगी। इसलिए किसी ने ऐसे पकड़ के रखा हुआ है या किसी ने गला पकड़ के रखा हुआ है। सो इट वॉज नॉट ईजी, एंड इट जस्ट मेड मी फील ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए और हमें कुछ करना चाहिए।